finally, the Creepschool science competition is officially underway. Entries are due by week's end. Goodness, I remember my first science competition.
What's wrong?
That Edison
Oh,
kid
no,
was a
my
hard
nail.
act to follow.
Oh,
Astronomers erroneously claim that black holes are created...
your mother ought to wash your mouth out with soap for swearing like that. Elsa, I've asked you 1,000,000 times not to read my mind. Oops, sorry, I forgot.
You and your nails. Worse things could happen, Victoria.
I doubt it. She's right, you know. A broken nail will grow back. You don't have nails, so I'd zip it. Oh, my poor sweet nail. All those days, weeks, and months of care. Wasted.
So, what should we do for the competition?
How about what makes a person sleep? I'll volunteer.
That's big of you, Josh.
How about what satisfies a person's hunger?
A little egocentric, don't you think?
Ego what?
I got an idea. What makes nails grow faster? It's relevant and would make oodles of women happy the world over. I'm serious, guys. Fine, be that way. I'll do it alone.
There you are, finally. I'm so excited. Let's see now. Bill, coupon, Bill, notice, junk, and Bill. Nothing? Nothing at all? Well, the day's only just begun. Perhaps something will arrive for me later.
Hello?
Miss Victoria, you scared me. What can I do for you?
I was hoping Mr. Malcolm was around.
He hasn't come in yet. I think he must have overslept.
He knows a lot about science, right?
More than the average headmaster.
Okay, then I'll come back.
I know a thing or two.
It's for the science project. I want to find a way to make nails grow faster.
Very interesting premise.
You like it?
I imagine many women would find that valuable.
My thoughts exactly.
I can't help. But I may have something else for you.
Ugh, what's that?
Not sure exactly. Found it years ago. This could be a science project if the nail experiment doesn't work. Take care of it. It's one of my most unusual finds.
Thanks, I think.
Hey, look at this! A shortwave radio!
Isn't that really the time for easy listening?
Come on! If we can make this work, it can be our science project.
Can't we, blow something up instead?
You're on your own.
No! I love the radio idea.
Says here, a Corbiamanderthal. Huh? A very rare creature found only in deep wells and mountainous regions. Lives in packs of families. Can survive in suspended animation for up to 100 years. Wonder how long this guy's been in here. That'll have to wait.
What's that?
You can't see.
Why not?
It's my science project.
Big deal. I'll tell you what mine is.
I don't want to know.
Show me, come on.
No, I want it to be a surprise.
Okay, have it your way.
Oh no! It's disappeared. Gilbert's gonna kill me. Whoa. I suddenly feel so strange.
So how's your science project going?
Very well, thank you.
What is it?
Can't tell you, I'm afraid.
It's for your own security.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna contact people across the globe and find out what they're doing to combat global warming. I'm gonna write up a report with graphs and everything.
Huh? Whatever.
Hey, Victoria, look what I have here. I made you a special ultra-low-fat, non-dairy, sodium-free soup.
Oh, I don't want it.
Oh! No! You're joking, yes? Oh, what is the matter with her?
Don't know. She may act like a prima donna sometimes, but she's never that rude.
Maybe she's not feeling well.
Do you know how much trouble I had to go through to make this?
How much?
Well, not really that much, but that's not the point.
Seems fine to me. I'll eat it.
I was just thinking, what sign are you?
I beg your pardon?
You know, star sign. What are you?
Sagittarius.
Very nice. Good people, Sagittarians. Good, generous people. Very supportive of their friends.
Yes, I suppose we are.
Me? I'm an Aries. Yes, sir, Aries.
Indeed.
We're in Aries right now. This month is Aries month.
How interesting.
For the next few days, we're still in Aries. After that, it's another sign.
That's how it works, I believe.
I'm going to empty the garbage.
Yes, you do that.
Wow, she's really studying.
And it's not even a fashion magazine. Something is definitely out of whack.
Hi, Vic, what's up?
Nothing.
Is this part of your science experiment?
I cannot say.
What's with the secrets lately?
No secrets.
Huh?
Victoria? She really is acting strange.
Brigida, can you tell us what Victoria was reading?
She took out some diagrams of the Creepschool sewer system. It outlines the complex underground drainage pipes dating back to the beginning of the millennium.
Why on earth would she be interested in that?
Said something about her father building tunnels.
Her father isn't a contractor, he's a lawyer.
How is your science project coming?
Good. Stay away from me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Don't come near me again.
Miss Victoria, are you all right?
Stay away. You won't catch me again.
But I'm your friend? Perhaps I have none.
If we can just figure how to manipulate the frequency, we should receive signals from outer space.
Do you think we'll be able to pick something up from Mars?
If we manage that, we'll definitely win the competition. Hey, I think we're getting something.
Elliot! Josh!
We've made contact.
How do they know our names?
Elliot! Josh!
That sounds like Janice. How did she get on a spaceship?
I'm not on a ship, I'm right behind you.
Ah!
You two.
Don't sneak up on us.
Have you seen Victoria? I'm getting a little worried about her. What the heck?
Let's see. I got you this pen holder for your last birthday. And I got you this picture frame on Principal's Day. And I got you this pencil sharpener as a get-well present when you were recovering from that stomach ulcer. Actually, that wasn't from me, come to think of it. Let's see, what else? Oh yes, this highlighter. I got that for you on your 10th anniversary as principal of Creepschool. There, that'll teach you to forget my birthday.
See, she's really acting weird. What's gotten into her?
Let's ask. What's that you're building? Victoria?
Victoria, what's gotten into you?
I don't want to be disturbed.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
Sun gives me a headache.
There hasn't been sun here since we arrived.
She's right. It's really only haze.
It affects my eyes. Please move. I have to work now.
We need to go talk to Elsa. Please, Elsa.
But I promised.
But it's imperative that we find out what's going on in Victoria's head.
Please, Elsa, it's for her own good.
All right. She's getting her nails dirty?
See what we mean?
Hi, Victoria. She wants a chicken burger and fries.
What? I think those are my thoughts.
Oh, sorry.
Well, did you hear her thoughts?
Yeah.
We can't read yours. Tell us.
I couldn't understand them.
What?
I think her mind has been taken over by another being.
Huh?
Tell me, when is the cake going to be ready?
About 15 minutes. I just have to put the candles on it. How old did you say he was?
1560.
Did I say 15 minutes? Probably closer to an hour.
Well, hurry!
1560? Mon Dieu, he doesn't look a day over 1559.
The days have gone and nobody so much as mentioned my birthday. Well, that's it. I've had it. I'm sick of the lack of appreciation. I deserve better. I don't need this anymore. I'm going to go somewhere far away where people will remember my birthday. Goodbye, office. Goodbye, window. Goodbye, walls, ceiling, and floor. Oh! My Corbian Manderthal. I can't leave without that.
What are we doing here?
Looking for clues. Whatever took over Victoria had to come from here.
How do you figure?
I surprised her and she hid something from me.
You think whatever it was has possessed her?
Do you have a better explanation?
Nope. Makes sense.
It wasn't in this thing, was it? Ugh! Whatever was in here sure stank.
Where did she get it from?
That would be me. Oh no! What happened to it?
We don't know. What was in it?
A little creature I found years ago, and now it's gone!
Where did you find it?
Near the graveyard, Mather had been digging.
Digging? Come on.
Nobody around here shows any respect for people or their possessions. I can't stay in a place like this.
Well, now we know what she was building.
But Why?
Come on! I bet Victoria's in there! Victoria!
Victoria, where are you?
Ugh.
Victoria, where are you?
Victoria!
Victoria, where are you? Victoria!
Go away.
Whoa, that didn't sound like Victoria.
Let's get out of here!
Back to the top.
It's this way.
No, it's not. It's this way.
No, it's not.
Follow me.
Oh. Whoa! Oops. Victoria!
Who are you and what have you done with Victoria?
I am Isam, from a civilization deep below Creepschool. I am Isam.
Wow, I didn't expect it to actually answer.
I got separated from my home millions of years ago and was captured and preserved in a jar.
Why have you taken over Victoria's body?
I need her to dig for me. I assure you, I am not harming her. I just desperately want to get home.
Wow. You've been away from home for 1,000,000 years? Talk about being homesick.
Mostly, I just miss my mother.
Huh?
We could help you dig.
Would you do that? Really?
Come on, what are we waiting for?
I think I can make it the rest of the way by myself.
Are you sure?
Yes. Thank you so much for your help.
Wow, deep voice for a small fella.
Come on, let's get her back home.
Man, I'm gonna love to see the look on her face when she sees what's happened to her nails.
What happened? Why am I covered in dirt?
You dug a tunnel into the depths of Creepschool.
I did what?
Have you seen Gilbert? He's disappeared, and all his things are gone. Some of mine, too, for that matter.
We saw him earlier. He seemed pretty upset.
Oh, no. He thinks I forgot his birthday. I hope he didn't go far.
My nails!
What are you doing, Gilbert?
I thought I'd explore the underworld for a while. Maybe they'll appreciate me.
But you can't go. Not yet, anyway.
Why not?
Because it's your birthday.
You remembered?
Of course, old friend. How could I ever forget after 1,500 years?
It could happen.
True, but not this time.
I am so embarrassed. We didn't even get this thing to work.
Well, it makes some noise anyway. That's gotta be worth something.
At least you can say you did something. I got so caught up in what Victoria was up to, I didn't even do mine. Hey, Toby's miniature volcano over there looks pretty promising. You're late.
Well, duh. I had to wash my hair 3 times to get all that
And
dirt
the
out.
award for this year's science competition goes to Max for his study of the science of cloning. This also means we have a new student, Max 2. This year, we have also decided to award a special prize for selfless service to the Creepschool community to Victoria!
Me?
For helping the Corbia Manderthal back to its natural habitat.
I want to thank you all for your support and say that there's nothing more rewarding than helping others. Thank you. Thank you all.
Is she for real?
And now for something equally important. Today is the birthday of a dear colleague and friend of mine, and I want you all to join me in congratulating him.
You shouldn't have. But I'm glad you did.
Make a wish.
I don't think you're gonna get all of them.
That's okay. My wish has already come true.